louder. A little louder.
Meron siya, madam.
Sige, Mark.
Stick lang.
Louder, louder. Same project to us. You know what? You should practice reading before your classes so that you will be.
I will great this day. I will love the light, for it shows me the way. Yet I will love the darkness, for it shows me the stars. I will welcome happiness, for it feeds my heart. Yet I will also welcome sadness, for it opens my soul. And how will I speak? I will speak well of my enemies, and he will become my friends. I will help my friends, and he will become my brothers. Always will I think of nice ways to say never of bad.